Hello my dear diamonds. Today I am back with one more new chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. The same chapter you studied in the 7th standard is a continuation of 7th algebraic expression and identities. Okay. And first we have to discuss about term. Okay, before going to algebraic expressions, we will discuss about definition of term. What is meant by term? This term is the combination of, for example, we take one example, 24x, right? This term is the combination of numerical and the variable. This one is called numerical and this is variable. 24x. This 24x is the combination of numerical and variable. You can take any variable from A to Z to denote a term. And this is also a term. A. Here numerical is there. The numerical of this A is 1. Then nothing is there means 1. You have to consider 1A. Clear? And next we will go to how to find out the coefficients of the term. The coefficients of the term. Coefficients. For example, 2x, y, z. The coefficient of x, y, z is the numerical present. Okay, before the variable. How much is there? The coefficient of this x, y, z is 2. The numerical present before the variable is called coefficient. Or one more thing. If you want to write the coefficient of 2x, the coefficient of 2x is yz. And next one more, the coefficient of this minus 2x square y square. The coefficient of minus 2x square y square is minus 2. And how to write the coefficient of y square? The coefficient of y square is minus 2x square. This is the way how to find out the coefficients. Okay, in other words, this coefficient is defined as the numerical factor of this term. Means you have to take out the numerical part only. For example, one more example, 2xy. The numerical coefficient of this 2xy is 2. Okay? Is the numerical factor of the term. Next, like terms and unlike terms. First we discuss about terms. What are terms? Is the combination of numerical and variable. And next we will go to, now we will discuss about terms. Like types of terms. Types of terms. First one is like terms and unlike terms. Okay, now we discuss about like terms. What are like terms? The factors of the terms having same variables. Okay, for example, like terms are the factors of the terms, or in other words, you can take terms. Terms are having same variables. Okay, factors of terms having same variables. Factors of the terms having same variables. And unlike term means factors of the terms having different variables. Factors of the terms having unlike variables are called unlike terms. Examples of like terms which are having same variables are called like terms. Okay. For example, 2x, 3x, 5x and 2x, 3x, 5x are called like terms. And example for unlike terms, 2x, 2y, 3z. Here variables are different, are called unlike terms. Here variables are same, are called like terms. The factors are having same variable are called like terms. The factors of the terms having different variables are called unlike terms. Okay, we discussed about terms, coefficients, like terms and unlike terms. Depending on number of terms present in the expression, okay, that divided as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, they divide the expressions into three. They are called monomials, binomials and trinomials. What are monomials? This one you studied in last 7th standard. An expression contains only one term are called monomial. For example, 2x. Correct? This is not the monomial. 2 minus x is not the monomial. Why? Here fundamental like in between numerical or any term, fundamental like plus or minus is there means is not a monomial. Okay? Here multiplication sign is there, right? Into 2 into x is a monomial. And one more 2xyz is also monomial. Okay? Next, binomials. What are binomials? An expression with two terms. For example, a plus b, 20x minus 2x or 20y are called binomials. Trinomials, an expression having three terms. For example, x plus y plus z is called trinomial. If more than three terms are there, then it is called a polynomial. For example, next, if more than three terms are there, then we call it as polynomial. For example, x plus y plus z plus 10. Here how many terms are there in the expression? 4 terms are there. Then this one is called as polynomial. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. X is a one term, y is a one more term, and z is a one more term. 3 terms are there. Then this one is called trinomial. An expression contains 3 terms. Here binomial contains only 2 terms. Monomial contains only 1 term. One more example of binomial. Monomial minus 2x is also binomial, and single x is also binomial. Okay? This way they are divided: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay? In your exercise, one page they are given. You have to separate monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. You have to write separately. Just go through in your textbook, in your exercise. One main is there. Okay? In first exercise, second exercise. Okay, now we will discuss how to add like terms and how to add unlike terms. Okay? Addition of like terms. We can only add like terms. Why we can add like terms? Like terms contains same variables, right? Okay. Like terms are the factors having same variables. Then only we can add. We cannot add unlike variables or unlike terms of having different variables. For example, first one 2x plus 5x. Here 2x is a one term and 5x is one more term. We can add. Why? Here is variable x and here is x. Terms are having same variables. Then only we can add 2x plus 5x, 7x. Okay? Or we can subtract by like terms also. 2x minus 5x equals to how much? We have to keep negative bigger number sign first and subtract. 5x minus 2x minus 3x. Okay? Now, addition of unlike terms. 3x minus 5y. Here, this is one term, 3x is one term, and minus 5y is one more term. Here, variables are different in both the term. We cannot add. Okay? Keep 5 as it is. 3x minus 5y. We can only add and subtract of the same variables. If variables are same, we can add. If variables are same, we can subtract. Okay? Remember. One more example for addition. 2x plus 3y plus 5x plus 7y. How to add? First, I'll do same terms. Okay? 2x plus 2x plus 5x. Okay? Next plus 3y plus 7y. Next 2x plus 5x, 7x plus 3y plus 7y, 10y. We can only add terms having same variables. Okay, this is one more example. We cannot add of the different variables. Clear? Next, multiplication of terms. Of like binomial, monomial, trinomial. Okay, multiplication. Multiplication of binomial and binomial. For example, 2x and x. 2x into x. Here one is there, here one is there. I think you already pronounced it, right? After multiplying, this becomes 2x square. So you have to add the powers while multiplication. Okay? And next one. 2 into 5x plus 10y. First you multiply numericals. 5 into 10, 50. X into y, xy. This is the way how to add binomial and binomial. Now, multiplication of monomial and a binomial. For example, now multiplication of monomial. For example, you take x and a binomial. Any binomial you take. I take a plus b. This is a binomial. Okay. Multiplication of monomial and a binomial. X into a plus b. Okay, this is like a distributive property. X into a, xa plus x into b, xb. Okay, any doubt? Monomial and a binomial. One more example for, we'll go for one more example. 5x and 2x plus 10x, or you take 2x plus 10y. Okay, monomial and a binomial. 5x into 2x plus 10y. 5 2s are 10. X into x, x square plus 5 10s are 50. binomial and a monomial. Okay. Next we will discuss multiplication of binomial and a binomial. For example, multiplication of binomial and binomial. For example, a plus b into a minus b. First, a into a square, a into b, here minus sign is there, minus ab, b into a plus ab, and b into minus b square, and here you solve. Minus ab plus ab cancels, what remains? A square minus b square. This is the way how to find out multiplication of binomial and binomial. We'll go one more example for binomial and binomial. I'll take one of example of your textbook. 3x plus 2y is a binomial, and one more, x plus y. How? First, 3x into x plus y. Okay? 3x into x plus y plus 2y into x plus y. 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into y, 3xy plus 2x into 2y into x, 2xy plus 2y into y, 2y square. Let's simplify. Any addition, subtraction? We can only add like terms, right? We'll see like terms are there or not. This is only one term, 3x square I will write as this, and this is one more, only one term. 3y square I will write as it is, and here xy, here xy, both are like terms. This is like 3xy and 2xy, both are like terms which are having same variables. We can add easily, right? 2 plus 3, 5xy. This is the addition of binomial and a binomial. Okay, now we'll go to exercise 9.1. Okay, in first main, what is there in the first main 9.1? Just we have to identify how many terms are there in the expression and the term coefficients of the terms. Okay, first one, 5xyz square minus 3zy. How many terms are there in this expression? Two terms are there. Which are those? First one, 5xyz square is a one term, and one more, minus 3zy is a one more term. The coefficient of this 5xyz square is 5. You have to take the numerical factor of the term. Okay, the coefficient of this one is how much? The coefficient of this 5xyz whole square is 5. Okay, and this coefficient of this minus 3zy is minus 3. You have to take out the numerical factor. Okay, the coefficient of this minus 3yz is minus 3. And here is one more problem. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Which are those? One is the first term, second term, third term, right? 1, x and x square are the 3 terms which are present in the expression, and the coefficient of this one is 1 only. Okay, and the coefficient of x is how much? How much is there? How many x are there? Here 1 x is there, right? And the coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of x square is how much? Nothing is there, means you have to consider only 1 only. Nothing is there, means you have to consider it as 1. Okay? And one more example. Okay, fourth one, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. How many terms are there in this expression? 3 terms are there. Which are those? X by 2 is one term. Okay? And one more, y by 2 is one more term. And one more term is there, minus xy. 3 terms are there. Now, you have to write the coefficients of the term, right? We discussed previously, right? You have to take out the numerical factor of this term. This numerical factor is 1 by 2. Okay? Take common 1 by 2. X remains. Clear? And here also the numerical factor is 1 by 2 only. Then this 1 by 2 is nothing but the coefficient of this y by 2. And here, take out the numerical coefficients. Minus 1 is nothing, is 1, and minus 10 is the minus 1 is the coefficient of minus xy. And one more here. How many terms are there? 1 term, 2 term, 3, 4. The coefficient of 3 is only 3, right? And coefficient of PQ minus PQ is minus 1. Coefficient of QR is 1. Before how much is that? 1 QR, right? Only 1. And coefficient of this minus RP, here 1 RP, right? Minus into 1 is minus RP. This is coefficient of this minus RP is minus 1. Just you have to take out the numerical factor of the term. How much is there before variable? Okay? This is how to find out coefficients and terms, how to identify terms. We discussed already monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. One term is there is monomial, two terms are there is binomial, three terms are there is trinomial, and more than three are there is called a polynomial. Okay? This is very simple. And in the second main of this 9.2, okay, 9.1 second main, they are given some expressions. Okay, you have to identify which one is monomial, which one is binomial, which one is trinomial or a polynomial. Okay, it's a homework for you people. 9.1 second one, 9.1 second main is a homework for you people. You have to just identify which one is monomial, right? Table like monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. Here you just below write which are monomials, binomials, trinomials and monomials. Okay, it's a homework for you people. 9.1 third main. Just you have to add the following. Okay, I told you in the beginning. Which all we have to add? We can add only like terms. We can add what are like terms? The terms having same variables, right? Then we'll see here. Apply the definition here. They are given three terms. Three binomials they are given. AB minus BC is a one binomial, and BC minus CA is one more binomial. CA minus AB is a one more binomial. We have to add now. Okay, AB minus BC plus, okay, BC minus CA, and next plus CA minus AB, and just remove this bracket by multiplying this minus sign inside plus or plus sign inside. This one has this AB minus BC and plus into BC plus BC plus into minus minus CA, and this is plus into CA, CA plus into minus minus AB. Now check, here plus AB is there, here minus AB is there, and plus minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. What remains? Nothing remains. The answer is 0. Okay, and one more, they are given 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 is a trinomial. How many terms are there here? 3 terms are there. Then this one is a trinomial. And one more, which one you have to add? 7pq minus 3p square q square. We'll group like terms. Here 2p square q square is there. I'll take the term which are having p square q square. Here this is there, right? Minus 3p square q square, one group. Okay, and plus pq minus 3p minus 3pq plus 7pq. Okay, one group plus, and constant is this much only, plus 4. And what remains here? Here 2p square q square are there. Here minus 3p square q square are there. 2 minus 3 how much? Minus 1, right? Minus 1 t square q square remains. Which one is bigger? Minus 3 is bigger. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 t square q square. And plus sign. Which one is greater here? Minus 3 pq or 7 plus 7 pq? 7 pq is greater. 7 minus 3 how much? 4 pq. What is the last? Plus 4. This is the way how to add like, okay? While adding, you do one thing. First you group like terms, okay? Then it becomes very easy for you people. Here 2 p square q square, and this one is 3 minus 3 p square q square. Okay? You have to group like terms first. Okay? This is the way how to add the terms. Okay, next one is fourth main. Subtract the following. Here I will do one thing. We will group first. Okay, like terms. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. This one we have to subtract from. In which we have to subtract? From 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, in this one we have to subtract this. Okay, I'll do one thing, grouping like terms. In this one, you have to subtract this. Idana minus 1 by 2 from this. Okay, first I'll make 12a. Terms having a, variables are there, how do you check here? This is the right subtraction. From minus 12 minus 4a plus, okay, next minus 9ab. Here ab terms are there, how to check? This is minus 7ab minus 12a minus 4a. Okay, we are subtracting minus sign between plus minus 9ab subtraction, and here minus of 7ab. Okay, next plus here 5b minus subtraction, here plus 3b plus there minus 3. Here how much is that? Plus 12 minus of plus 12. Okay, 12a minus 4a, 8a plus minus into minus plus, this becomes plus 7a, 7ab, 7 plus 7ab minus 9ab minus 2ab. This is minus into minus plus, it becomes, I'll write minus 9ab. This is minus into minus plus 7ab, correct? And this one 5b minus 3b, 2b, and here plus minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. Then next 8a as it is, this is plus minus 7 minus 9ab plus 7ab minus 2ab plus 2b, and then plus into minus minus 15. This is plus into minus. Then the answer is 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Simple. First we have to group like terms, then add or subtract. Okay. Next one is a fourth main, second one. 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. From this one you have to subtract in second term. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus how much is it? 10xyz. Okay. In this one you have to subtract this. Okay. First I will write 5xy Here xy terms are there. Check. This is xy term. Subtraction minus 3 xy group plus. Okay. And here minus 2 yz. Okay. Here yz terms are there or not? You check. Plus 5yz. Subtraction 5yz. Y is plus into minus, minus only. That's why I wrote minus and here. And plus minus 2zx. Minus of here zx terms are there or not? Minus 7zx. Minus into minus. Here minus sign is there. This minus and this minus. Here 2zx. Subtraction middle. This minus and this minus becomes plus 7zx plus which one remains? This 10xyz term is not there here. Is the only one term. 10xyz. Now solve. 5xy minus 3xy. 2xy plus minus 2yz minus 5yz. Both are negative. Add and keep the negative sign. If both are negative means minus 2yz minus 5yz. This becomes minus 7yz and plus minus 2zx plus 7zx. 7 minus 2. 5. 5zx. What remains last? Only one term is there. 10xyz. And this is plus into minus, minus. What is the answer? 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xy is the answer after subtracting. Okay, we'll continue with the exercise 9.2, first main. In first main, we have to find out the product. Just we have to multiply. Okay. 4 and 7p. 4 into 7p. 4 7s are 28p. This much. Okay. And here 4p. Minus sign is there. Minus 4p into 7p. First we multiply. Minus into plus here. Minus sign. 4 7s are 28. p into p square. Okay. Remaining sums are there in the first main. You just try. Very simple problems are there. And next in the second main, we have to multiply PQ. Multiplication of the product of P and Q is PQ. Okay. And product of this 10m and 5n. 10 into 5. Thus you have to multiply 10m into 5n. This is equal to 10 5 is 50. m into n, mn. This much. And next, multiplication of 20x square into 5y square. 25 is 100. X square into y square, x square y square. Then product of 20x square and 5y square is 100x square y square. This much. Just we have to multiply first numericals, then variables. Here just in third way they are given on table, and here 2x is there. We have to multiply this 2x into 2x first, and 2x into minus 5y, 2x into 3x square, 2x into minus 4x y, 2x into minus 9x square y square. Okay, just is a product. Here there is one term, here so many terms are there. By this we have to multiply all the terms. Okay, 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Okay, 2x into minus 5y. Here minus sign is there, common. Here plus sign is there, right? Plus into minus, minus. 2 5s are how much? 10. X into y, xy. Okay, 2x into 3x square. 2 3s are 6. Here 1x. Here 2x. x raised to 3. Okay, this is the law of exponent. You study, right? A raised to m into a raised to n. This is equals to a raised to m plus n. Just if bases are same, just you have to add the powers. Here also same. Here 1 is there, here 2 are there. 1 plus 2, 3. X into x square is x raised to 3. And here 2x into minus 4xy. Plus into minus, minus 2 4s are how much? 8. Here 1x is there, here 1x, x square, only 1 1. Okay? 2x into 7x square y. 2 7s are 14. 1x is there already. 1 plus 2, 3, only 1 y. And then 2x, and here minus 9x square y square. Minus and common. Plus into minus, minus. 2 9s are 18. 1x there, here 2x, 3, only 1 y square. Okay, this is the way how to multiply. My dear boys and girls, 9.2 fourth main. Here they are given like obtain volume. Volume means volume equals to what? Length, breadth, height, right? They are given length, breadth, height. Just have to multiply. After multiplying all the 3 terms, you will get the volume only. They are given like length, the breadth, the height. We have to find out the volume. This is volume equals to length into breadth into height. They are given. All the 3 terms they are given. This is height. Okay, this is length, breadth, height. Just have to multiply all the 3 terms. You will get the value. Okay, 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4 equals to 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are 105, right? 15 7s are 105. A raised to how much is it? A raised to. Apply exponent first law. If bases are same, add the powers. Here 1 is there, here 2, here 4. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. A raised to 7. This is the way how to find out the value. Okay, simple, very simple. And here 3 terms are there. 2p, 4q and 8r. Like length, breadth, height. 2p into 4q into 8r. Multiply numerals. 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64. Here p into here r. P q r. This is the answer. 64 p q r. Okay. Already we reached 9.3. So early, right? And this here again here we have to multiply. Find out the product. Already we discussed multiplication of binomial and monomial. Here this is a monomial and this is binomial. Okay. Multiply 4p into q plus r. 4p into q 4pqr. Sorry, 4p into q 4pq plus 4p into r 4pr. This much. And here binomial into monomial. A plus b into 7a square b square. 7a square b square into a 7a3 b square. Here 1a, here 2a, 3a. So a raised to 3 and b square remains. Plus 7a square b square into b. 7a square b raised to 3. Clear? First 7a square b square into a is 7. Here 2a, here 1a, a raised to 3. B square as it is 7a square b square into b. 7a square as it is here 2b, here 1b, b raised to 3. Okay? And next ab into a minus b. ab into a square b. Just you have to write the power. Okay? First law of exponent. In product, you have to remember first law of exponent. Bases are same, you have to add the powers. See here, ab into a, here 1a, here 1a, 1 plus 1, 2, b only 1, plus ab into b, 1a, b into b, b square. This is addition, sorry, multiplication. Okay, this is third main. Second main diagram on table. Already we discussed in second exercise. The same main. Okay, just try again, multiply monomial into binomial or monomial into trinomial. Okay, it's very simple. That's why I left second main. You try. It's a homework for you people. Second main 9.3. Second main is very simple table. It's like a very simple series. And third main, find the product. This one is also very simple only compared to second one. Okay. If I give again homework, you will not do. I think that's why. Okay. It's a very silly problem again. Third main, first one, a square. Again, we have to find out product here. A square 2a raised to 22, 4a raised to 26. First we will multiply numericals. Here how much is there? The coefficient of a square is 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8. Okay. For remaining variables we will apply first law of exponent, right? A raised to base is common only. A only. Here 2 is there. Plus here 22 is there. Again 26. 2 plus 22 plus 26. Why we are adding? The bases are same. To just add the powers, you will get the answer. This is equals to. This is 24. 24 plus 26. 50. 8a raised to 50 is the answer after multiplying. And next here 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. First I will write the numerical factors in these two. 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10 is a numerical factor, right? Here numerical factor is the coefficient of xy is 2 by 3 and the coefficient of this x square y square is minus 9 by 10. And what remains? Xy into x square y square. This is 2 ones are, 2 5s are, 3 ones are, 3 3s are. Okay, this is possible. And what remains? Here minus remains. Here 3, here 5. 3 by 5. Here 1x, here 2x, x raised to 3. Here 1y, here 2y, y raised to 3. This is the answer. And here one more example. Just apply first law of exponent. Here 1 is that x raised to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Then x is 10 is the answer. Okay, we stop here. Only till now we discussed addition. Sorry, from the beginning I'll come. Term and coefficients. Next, like terms and unlike terms. Next, addition of like terms and addition of subtraction of like terms. We cannot add unlike terms, right? Remember, which are having different variables. We cannot add. Next, multiplication, addition of 9.1 addition. In 9.1 we had separated terms and coefficients. Okay, and in 9.2 addition and subtraction. In 9.3 only product. Just multiplication is there. You people are very good in mathematics. Multiplication, right? Good in mathematics also. And 9.3 whole exercise is based on multiplication. Okay? You please sit somewhere, watch video again and again. Any doubt, just clarify your doubt. And I think you will not get the doubt in multi-addition, subtraction and addition. In addition, just first you have to, in addition or subtraction, first you have to group like terms. Okay, then it becomes very easier for you people. And in multiplication, nothing. Okay, you need not to worry. Just you have to multiply, and you have to remember first law of exponent: a raised to m into a raised to m, a raised to m plus n. Here, okay, here I apply only first law of exponent. Here also and here also. Just first you have to simplify the numerical factors. What remains? Minus 3 by 5, and after applying, simplification, first class I have to apply. Okay, this much. You stop here. Please copy the same. Okay, and this next exercise will continue in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please drink per day. You have to drink 2-3 liters of water and eat properly. Okay, healthy food and take care. Thank you.